This month's Instagram Notes number trend is expanding, as it incorporates new numbers such as 1087. For several years, 1087 has been used as a code with several different meanings. But what is the current explanation for this code as it is revived in April 2023? This new wave of codes relates to an ex-partner. 1087 means I miss the old us and can be used in reference to an ex-boyfriend or girlfriend, or even an ex-friend. Some of the most popular combinations to feature in the Instagram Notes number trend this month includes 1543, 143, and 5555. There seems to be a recurring theme of heartbreak with these codes. 1543 means I still love you, 143 means I love you, and 5555 means I miss your voice, especially you. If you're looking for an overview of all the main codes which are featuring in the breakup-themed Instagram Notes number trend, then they are as follows. This most recent wave of coded messages isn't the first time we've seen them crop up on social media. In fact, the last 2 years have seen TikTokers use such codes to communicate their inner feelings about themselves or those closest to them. Here are more secret codes we've found to communicate everything from heartache to betrayal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.